Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload and share a video clip to Twitter or X on your PlayStation 4. So I can double press the share button right here and start recording a gameplay, and it should say in the upper left side of the screen. I'm already recording, so what I could do is double tap the share button and it will stop recording. It will save the video clip, and it also took a screenshot because I tapped it wrong. Now it says video clip saved right here. Or what I could do is press the share button once and open up the quick menu. Then I can go to video clip right here. It'll give me an instant option to save the video clip. Then I can upload it to YouTube or Twitter from this menu. Now I may want to go back to the screen, go to sharing and broadcast, and then go to the length of the video clip. And I can go 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes might be too long for me. So after deciding the length, what I could do is go on over to the capture gallery. So let's go to library to find this, then go to applications, then go to capture gallery right here, and all my video clips will be displayed under here now, and I can go to them. So here's Sonic Mania, let's choose this, and here are some of the ones I just saved. So 9 seconds long. I can press options on the video clip, and I can go to trim and just trim this down a little bit, play, or I can edit it in Share Factory, copy to USB storage. On the screen we can hit the share button or the video clip, and we can share it to Twitter. So we will need to link our Twitter account. So let's go to Twitter right here and just see the options. So you can see I'm signed in. I can trim it, play it, change selection, add a comment, tag players, etc. Then you can share it with your PlayStation audience right there. So you can see I'm logged in. Now to log in, if you don't see an option right there, you can go to settings, then go to account management, go to linked with other services right here, select this, and it says please wait. It may take about 10 to 15 seconds for this to load, but then it'll give you like an option for Twitter right here. Go to it and then sign in with your account, accept the permissions and everything else, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.